had a baby recently, the cutest little girl in the world. Named Ayumi, just this amazing little girl, and so we thought we'd write her a lullaby. So you're kind of forced to like this. But the funny thing is we sat down to write a lullaby, and this just sort of fell out. It was one of those songs that took 5 minutes, and I hate it when people say that because it's really like bragging. You know, we're like so good that this fell out of us in 5 minutes. But it's really not that great of a song. It's just a great subject. So this is for Ayumi.
You be the judge.
In the branches, that's where love lies every day. Like a songbird on a mission that the wind won't blow away. Oh, it sings out across the meadows, over hills into the towns, and its message, pure and simple, is to spread true love around. At the end of each beginning, you just listen for the song. It reminds your every heartbeat how love started all along. Steady onward towards the voices that still make the sweetest sound, and the message, pure and simple, is to spread true love around. Nothing changes like the weather, not one raindrop hits the ground. Just